Hello everyone, today we are going to perform experiment number 15. That is the assay of calcium gluconate we have to perform. The proposition is same as that of previous experiment because this is also the complexometric type of titration in which simple metal ion get converted into complex ion by addition of reagent known as ligand, which is also called as complexing agent or a chelating agent. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जो लिगैंड होता है विच इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज कॉम्प्लेक्सिंग एजेंट और चिलेटिंग एजेंट दैट डोनेट इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड सिंपल मेटल आयन एक्सेप्ट दैट लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन टू फॉर्म कॉम्प्लेक्स मेटल आयन विच इज़ स्टेबल वन एंड ऑल्सो वाटर सोल्यूबल. ओके, हमें पता है कि जो लिगैंड होते हैं वो यूनिडेंटेड होते हैं, बायोडेंटेड होते हैं एंड मल्टीडेंटेड डिपेंडिंग अपॉन देयर साइट ऑफ अटैचमेंट. तो डाइसोडियम ये जो है लिगैंड या चिलेटिंग एजेंट या कॉम्प्लेक्सिंग एजेंट ये मल्टीडेंटेड होता है. एंड यहाँ पे जो हम मॉडर्न ब्लैक 11 एज एन इंडिकेटर यूज़ करते हैं टू डिटरमाइन द एंड पॉइंट. ठीक है, बाय चेंजिंग कलर फ्रॉम रेड टू ब्लू. ओके, तो यहाँ पे फैक्टर ऑफ स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन दिया है, फैक्टर ऑफ एसे भी दिया है. ठीक है, ये रिएक्शन दिया है. यहाँ पे जो कैल्शियम आयन है दैट इज़ अ सिंपल मेटल आयन. प्रीवियस एक्सपेरिमेंट में जो था मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट उसका हमने ऐसे किया था, उसमें मैग्नीशियम आयन एज अ सिंपल मेटल आयन विच एक्सेप्ट द लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम ligand or chelating agent that is disodium ADT which having multiple site of attachment, that is it is a multidentate ligand. Here chemical reaction is given, calcium react with disodium ADT and form metal complex ion, metal complex which is water soluble and stable one. See here complex ADT form, calcium ADT complex form हुआ है which is stable one and water soluble. Here apparatus is given and chemicals also given for the performance of practical. Then standardization procedure is same as that of previous experiment. You have to perform this as that of previous experiment. This is the assay of calcium gluconate. Here you have to first of all we have to weigh 0.5 gram of sample and in 25 ml conical flask which is dissolved in 50 ml of warm water and cool it. Then add 5 ml 0.05 molar magnesium sulfate solution and 10 ml strong ammonia solution, mix well. Then add 0.1 gram of modern black 11 act as the indicator to determine the end point. Then titrate this solution with standardized disodium ADT solution by changing color. End point is determined red to blue. Then write this observation table to calculate the molarity for disodium ADT and percentage purity. Okay, this observation table is for standardization of disodium ADT and this observation table for assay for calcium gluconate. Here calculation for percentage purity is given. You have to write result here, molarity of disodium ADT and sample for percentage purity. Then solve any 5 questions from these questions and solve it. So let's start with practical. This is zinc metal, which is granulated zinc metal. So we have taken, this is 0.8 gram of granulated zinc. We have to put it into conical flask which is of 250 ml. In that we have to add HCl, dilute HCl 12 ml. I have add 12 ml of dilute HCl in the granulated zinc. Okay, then we have to add 0.1 ml bromine water. I am going to add 0.1 ml bromine water with pipette. Now we are going to boil this solution to remove the excess of bromine. After that boiling, you have to cool it and add sufficient water to produce 200 ml in conical flask. I am going to boil this solution to remove the excess bromine After boiling, you have to cool it. After cooling the solution, we have to add water to produce 200 ml in conical flask. This is the 200 ml resulting solution. We have to pipette out 20 ml. आपल्याला यामधनं 20 ml हे जे रिझल्टिंग सोल्युशन आहे त्यातनं 20 ml दुसरा कोनिकल फ्लास्कमध्ये घ्यायचं आहे आणि त्याला न्यूट्रलाइज करायचं आहे सोडियम हायड्रॉक्साईडने. सी दिस इज आय एम pipette out 20 ml of this resulting solution, previous resulting solution. Now I am going to neutralize this solution with sodium hydroxide. So I have add 2 molar sodium hydroxide. First you have to check with that pH paper during making this solution neutralize. Okay, then dilute this solution up to about 150 ml of water. See, I am adding water about 150 ml. Then add sufficient ammonia buffer having pH 10 to dissolve the precipitate. If any precipitate, see this having some precipitate, to dissolve this precipitate we have to add ammonia buffer which having pH 10. Now I am going to add ammonia buffer. First you have to add sufficient, then you have to add 5 ml of ammonia buffer to dissolve that precipitate. See, this is our solution. Now we are going to add indicator, that is modern black indicator, black 11 indicator of 50 mg. With showing pink color. After titrating, that pink color get converted into green color. Now we are going to titrate with disodium edited solution. This is burette. I have filled with disodium edited. This is 0 marks. Okay. Now I am going to titrate with this. You have to add this disodium edited solution dropwise with burette up to green color. Observe. See, this is somewhat greenish color is appear. Our reading will come on. This is the burette reading. You have to perform this standardization procedure for 3 times. Okay. आता तुम्ही एकदा ही परफॉर्म केले, पुन्हा तुम्हाला 2 वेळेस तुम्हाला ती परफॉर्म करायचं आहे. नाउ ऑफ ऑल आय एम गोइंग टू टेक calcium gluconate 0.5 gram in conical flask, 250 ml of conical flask. Then this sample dissolve in 50 ml of warm water. I am going to add 50 ml warm water to dissolve this calcium gluconate sample. This is warm water, we have to cool it for some time. This solution becomes cool. Now I am going to add 5 ml of 0.05 molar magnesium sulfate solution and 10 ml of strong ammonia solution. This is strong ammonia solution, 10 ml. Mix it. Then add 0.1 gram of modern black 11. I am adding this modern black 11 solution indicator. this pink or red color, after titration it gets convert into blue color. Okay, so I am going to titrate this solution with disodium edited. We have to put this disodium edited solution clockwise until blue color appears. This step for 3 times acid procedure as well as standardization procedure to get 3 readings for assay as well as standardization. Then calculate mean burette reading for both standardization and assay procedure. This bluish color is observed. See this. Note the reading and calculate the mean burette reading and perform this assay for 3 times. Okay. After titrating for 3 times, write down here final burette reading and calculate difference, then mean burette reading, and first of all calculate the molarity, okay, for disodium edited, then percentage purity. Okay, write down here result. Okay, thank you.